Hey everybody, I'm Andy the Kenworth Guy. Thanks for coming by the channel today. So, you probably know what the W9 shirt means, but this one is a little bit different. It's a project truck. It's a stock truck. So basically, we took a stock truck that we brought in and with the intention of splashing chrome and lights and stripes and you name it, we put a whole bunch of stuff on it. So it's almost done, but I wanted to give you guys a quick teaser on it. So no intro today, it's not needed. I'll just give you guys the sizzle reel on this truck. So let's check it out. Oh, and the video, it's good. The full video on this truck, I'll put it up on it next week. So stick around for that one and I'll give you the full lowdown. If you are interested in this truck, it is for sale, of course. It's only available to Canadian customers. Sorry for my friends south of the border, I can't sell across the line. But anyhow, if you are interested in this truck and you're in Canada, give me a shout. It's ready for delivery today. I can give you the full spec sheet on it. Just all my contact information is below. So thanks again for coming by the channel. Appreciate you subscribing. And if you haven't done that yet, hit that button right down in the corner. Punch it, smash it, crush it, whatever you want to do. Just subscribe. Make sure you do that. If you want to check out what other trucks I have in stock, just click up here on the link to go to thekenworthguy.com, and I have all of our inline inventory listed up on there. So we'll see you next time and have yourself the world's best day. Yeah, I'm changing it from the thumbs up to the two-finger trucker salute. I don't know, because with the shorter finger, it's a little bit more just me, I guess. I don't know. Okay, I'm an idiot. Have the world's best day. Have the world's best day. Have the world's best day. There ain't nothing finer than a W9er. All right. I think that's good.